I freshly installed Windows 11 on my laptop and I found out it simply won't boot. Just says no boot device found. So what I did was to get into boot options while the system starts. So here I was able to find that under UEFI options there was Windows Boot Manager. So I clicked on it and the boot was normal. It just worked. I fixed it by getting into the BIOS settings and I went into the boot menu and there I changed the legacy boot to UEFI boot, and then all I did was exit saving changes. It worked. Subscribe.